In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a school group. By the end, you'll have a fully branded community, a classroom for your content, events on the calendar, payment options ready, and an invite link to start growing. Start by opening your browser and searching for Skool. Click the official Skool website to head to your dashboard. From there, look for the small arrows next to your current community name. That's the community switcher. Click it, then choose the option to create a community. Confirm by selecting Create Your Community to begin the setup. Next, choose a plan that fits your needs. Skool offers a free trial so you can explore features before committing. Give your group a clear, memorable name, add your payment details, and click Start Free Trial to activate everything. Once your community is created, go to Settings. Under General, you'll set the foundation for your brand. Upload a simple icon at 128 by 128 pixels and a cover image at 1084 by 576 pixels. Clean, high-contrast graphics work best and are easy to make in tools like Canva. Then write a concise description that explains who the group is for and the transformation or outcome members can expect. Think of it like your group's promise: specific, benefit-driven, and welcoming. Now, shape your discussions. Go to Community and then Categories to create up to 10 spaces for posts. Common ones include Announcements, Q&A, and Wins. Keep names short and intuitive so members always know where to post. In the Rules tab, add guidelines to keep conversations productive and on topic. You can start with the defaults and tailor the tone and expectations to your community's culture. For your educational content, click Classroom. Create a new course and organize everything into modules for structure and lessons for the individual pages. Remember, Skool doesn't host videos directly, so embed from YouTube, Vimeo, or Loom. Keep lessons focused, add supporting text, and use clear titles so members can follow along without confusion. To run live sessions, click Calendar and create events for calls or meetings. Skool automatically converts times to each member's local time zone and sends a reminder email 1 hour before, which helps with attendance. If you plan to charge for access, go to Settings, then Subscriptions, and connect payouts through Stripe Express. This enables paid plans and ensures you can receive funds smoothly. Encourage engagement by setting up the leaderboard. Create levels that unlock courses or perks as members earn points from likes on their posts. It's a simple way to reward participation and keep momentum high. Finally, go to Settings and then invite to copy your unique link. Share it on social platforms, your website, or email to start welcoming new members.